Good morning, we have snow again. Hey, what happened here? Open your eyes, that's better. One car went down the road already. Somebody saw a robin the other day. Now what would a robin be doing here in the middle of February? But you know what? March is melting month. So we're almost through February, so March is melting month. Spring thaw. But not yet. Today we have snow. This feels so soft under my feet. How much we got? 3 inches or something? Oh, both boys are down there at the bottom of the hill. Darn, I'm going to run out of batteries. I think I'll save them for the teepee. Okay, bye.